the secret menu. Here's how to get to it. So you go through the menu until you get to where it says Sargent EC620 or whatever EC600 series you've got. Press and hold on this triangle, and now we're in the engineer menu. So at this point we can go through the various settings in here which you don't see in the normal setup. So this one is one of the ones that is quite popular for changing. So the charging, solar charge leisure, solar charge vehicle, solar charge smart. Now solar charge smart I think is the default, and if you leave it on that, then it will try and charge the vehicle battery until that's completely fully charged, and then it'll charge your leisure battery. Well, if you're off grid, and it's constantly charging the vehicle battery, you're not going to get any benefit from the solar until your vehicle battery is fully charged, which doesn't really work very well for me. So I leave mine on solar charge leisure. Now this one here you need to be careful of. If you do a factory reset on this panel, then this panel will behave as though you've got a caravan. You'll lose all kinds of things, like some of the lighting at the front of at least my motorhome is a Swift Escape 674, and I'll lose some of the map reading lights and things like that when it becomes a caravan. We also find that here this says MH001. If you do a factory reset, that becomes CV for caravan. So that's what will happen. So if you do a reset, you need to, if you're on a motorhome, you need to come back and change that to MH with these keys. The other thing that you'll notice if you are on a caravan setting is this waste. Ooh, that's not good, is it? Okay, so that was a lesson learned. So it's quite cold at the moment, and I've pressed the screen and I've got all kinds of graphics all over the screen. It's slowly going back to normal. It's only a couple of minutes later. There's still some bits and bobs there that's going to disappear. But what I was saying was, this waste level sensor on this side, like the fresh at this side, this waste level disappears completely, so you don't get the W at the bottom. So you'll be able to tell that something's not quite right just by that being missing. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that. So exit settings.